Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your daily English podcast. I am your host, Lisa. Today, we are discussing the most powerful topic for long-term success in English: self-love and self-care. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. A marathon is a very long race. To finish a marathon, you must be healthy, rested, and happy. If you forget to take care of yourself, you will burn out. You will become too exhausted to continue. Self-love means accepting yourself as you are right now. Self-care means taking actions every day to support that love. Our expert, Paul, is here to structure this important topic into 5 clear areas. Welcome back, Paul.
Hello, Lisa, and a hearty welcome to our amazing learners. Your well-being is the foundation of your learning. If the foundation is weak, the building, your English knowledge, will fall down. We use the phrase, I am investing in myself.
Paul, we are going deep today. What are the 5 essential pillars of wellness that sustain our energy for learning?
We have 5 crucial areas to maintain balance. Physical care, the basics of the body, sleep, food, hydration. Mental care, rest and focus for the brain, breaks, quiet time. Emotional care, handling feelings and self-talk, self-compassion and kindness. Social care, healthy interactions, connection, boundaries. Digital care, managing technology use, screen time, and digital detox.
This is a comprehensive plan. Let's begin with the body, which is where all our energy starts. The first pillar is physical care. We must treat our bodies like high-performance engines, giving them the best fuel and necessary rest. We focus on sleep, nutrition, and movement.
We use the phrase my body needs to state these requirements simply. Sleep, the 7-hour minimum. Sleep is when your brain moves new English words from short-term memory to long-term memory. It's essential study time. Acceptable rule. I need to protect my sleep time. I aim for 7 to 9 hours every night. New action. Wind down before bed. Wind down means to slow down your activity, like read a book, turn off the phone. Nutrition. Balanced meal. Your brain needs sugar, protein, and water to focus. Action of the rule. I need to eat a balanced meal before any long study session. Simple action. We use the verb stay hydrated. I always keep a bottle of water near me to stay hydrated. Movement. Active breaks. Sitting still for too long makes you tired. Moving wakes up the brain. Actionable rule. I need to stretch or walk every hour to refresh my energy. Simple action. I would take a brisk walk after my afternoon coffee. Brisk means quick and energetic.
The simple self-talk phrase here is, I respect my body's needs. Our second pillar is mental care. The greatest gift you can give your mind is quiet time and effective rest.
We use the phrase my mind needs to articulate our mental requirements. Breaks, the focus timer. You cannot concentrate for hours. The brain gets tired. Use a timer. Actionable rule. I will use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of total rest. New action. During the 5-minute break, perform a mental reset. This means closing your eyes and counting backwards from 10. Quiet time. The digital free zone. Noise and too much information cause mental stress. Actionable rule. I need 10 minutes of complete quiet every day to calm my thoughts. Simple actions. I'll put my phone on silent and I will sit in silence just to observe my breathing. Mindfulness. This is paying close attention to the present moment. It makes your mind stronger. Actionable rule. I will practice mindfulness by focusing completely on one simple action, like drinking my tea.
The critical self-talk phrase here is, I am prioritizing stillness over speed. Our third pillar is emotional care. This is the core of self-love. It is how we treat ourselves when we feel discouraged, sad, or angry.
We replace the destructive inner critic with self-compassion. Self-compassion means treating yourself with the same warmth and kindness you offer a good friend. Self-compassion, the best friend rule. When you fail a quiz, what would you say to your friend? You would say, "It's okay. Try again." Say the same thing to yourself. Actionable rule. When I make a mistake, I immediately say, "I love and forgive myself." Simple action. Use the phrase, "I validate my feelings." I validate my feelings. It is okay to feel tired today. Journaling, releasing thoughts. Sometimes our thoughts and feelings get stuck in our heads. Writing them down releases the pressure. Actionable rule. I will write for 3 minutes in my journal whenever I feel overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means too many thoughts to task. Positive affirmations. Speaking positive truths about yourself every day reinforces your self-love. Actionable rule. I will repeat 3 positive affirmations in English every morning. For example, I am worthy. I am powerful. I am enough.
The most loving self-talk phrase is, I accept myself completely. Our fourth pillar is social care. This is how we interact with the people in our lives. We need to focus on healthy connections and boundary setting.
Boundaries are rules you set to protect your time, energy, and mental health. They are vital for self-care. Boundary setting, the no power. You must be able to politely say no to things that drain your energy or steal your study time. Actionable rule. I will practice saying no politely in English this week. Simple phrase, thank you for inviting me, but I need to decline because I have a study commitment. Decline means politely say no. Healthy connections, energy givers. As we learned before, spend time with people who give you positive energy, not people who criticize to judge you. Actionable rule. I will actively schedule time with friends who support my English learning. Self-advocacy. This means speaking up for yourself and your needs. Actionable rule. I will clearly state my needs to my family, such as, I need 30 minutes of quiet study time, please.
The key social self-care phrase is, I protect my energy. Our final and newest pillar is digital care. In the modern world, our screen time can be a huge drain on our time and mental energy, especially for students. We must practice digital detox.
Digital detox means taking a break from screens and the internet. Screen time awareness. You need to know exactly how much time you spend on your phone and computer. Actionable rule. I will track my non-study screen time to see where my time is going. The no phone zone. Identify one time or place where your phone is absolutely prohibited. Actionable rule. My phone is not allowed in my bedroom, or I would not look at my phone after 8 p.m. This improves sleeping, mental rest. Mindful consumption. When you are online, be mindful of what you look at. Does it make you feel happy or stressed? Actionable rule. I will unfollow any social media account that makes me feel bad or causes negative comparison.
The simple digital self-care phrase is, I control my screen does not control me. Paul, this was the ultimate guide to self-love. We have covered the 5 pillars: physical, mental, emotional, social, and digital. Remember the key phrases for your daily self-talk. I respect my body's needs. My mind needs a reset. I accept myself completely. I protect my energy. I choose supportive people.
Your homework is the most important homework yet. Choose one action from each of the 5 pillars, one thing for your body, one thing for your mind, one thing for your feelings, one thing for a person, and one thing for your phone. Write those 5 actions down and commit to them today.
Thank you for listening to your Daily English podcast. Remember, being kind to yourself is the best way to become a successful and fluent English speaker. You deserve kindness and care. You can find this full comprehensive script and the 5 rules on our website. Until next time, be kind to yourself. Bye.